Hey, what's up, guys? It's your boy Two Phones back again with another video. This video is the Nexus 6P 1 year later. Yes, I still have the Nexus 6P in the collection. Running Android 8 beta preview 3. Haven't seen anything about preview 4. Maybe they getting ready to just launch the official operating system. Not sure yet, but I'll get more details about Android O. But if you haven't seen all my other Android O videos, go check them out. I'll leave links in the description and cards, and you'll find them. Anyway, so I'm pretty sure a lot of people want to know how well has the 6P held up. If you didn't watch any of my other videos, yeah, I did crack the screen at the bottom, as you can see. But other than that, it's really working smooth. I haven't been playing with it, but as you can see, I have a whole bunch of apps open. So that should tell you something. All right. Yeah, so it works just like it would have worked out the box. Still got the stock launcher. Not too many apps. It may seem like a lot of apps, but it's really not too many. But yeah, Android it's been pretty good. Can't complain. Oh well, the only thing it's really getting annoying is the square icons. I'm used to the circular icons, and then all of a sudden Google gives us these random square icons on the Nexus device. I don't know if the Pixels have the square icons for Android O, but yeah, you want to go into the settings. Let's go ahead and do that real quick. Okay. I don't know why they did that either. That might be a little small minor thing, but yeah. So I like the settings because it gives you minor info about what you can find in each tab, like support, help, articles, phone, and chat support, system, languages, time, backup, updates, Google, the services and preferences, accessibility, screen readers, display, user accounts, me, and whoever else you have on your phone, security, location, play protect, screen lock, fingerprint, storage, how much storage you use, how much you got left, sound, the volume, vibration, do not disturb display. It just basically it's just simplicity, and then of course it suggests you other things you can do in your settings and stuff like that. Well, suggestions right here. And then this minor one. So yeah, and that's pretty self-explanatory for the settings section. You want to know about the camera movement? Let's see. Yeah, it still loads pretty slow. Haven't seen any new features come to the camera settings, but it's fairly easy. Still got slow motion and all that, lens blur. Okay, let's check out the settings. 12 megapixels. That's set at standard 1080p. Video stabilization is on. Okay, everything else looks pretty much the same. If you want to know about battery life on the 6P with Android O beta, battery life is still average. I'm still getting about 4 to 5 hours of screen on time. Other than that, nothing really here to go wild and all about. But it's still a great device. Like I said, you still get updates, still get security patches on Nexus 6P. Camera is still good for today's quality, for today's ranks. It's still a good camera. I mean, it does have a 2015 camera sensor in it, but it still gets the job done. And of course, you can always get filter apps and customize it the way you want it. I'm rocking out Project 5 and Nexus 6P. Let's see, last bill $4.88. All right. So I still got Project 5 Nexus devices. Actually, I got more than this. I got a Nexus 5X and Nexus 6. You guys can check out those videos on my YouTube channel as well. I've noticed something about my Google Now. I don't know if it's dealing with the the Nexus launcher, but like when I check out my Motorola phones and other phones, some of the features are a little different. I don't know if it has a topic trending, a trending topic section. I haven't seen that yet, but it is on my Moto G, G5 Plus, and Moto G3. It's kind of odd. I don't know what Google's doing. I don't know what Google's doing with the whole square icon thing. The picture-in-picture only works if you have YouTube Red and stuff like that. We can check what we got picture-in-picture real quick. Let me see something. Hold on a sec. Let me find like Yahoo or something. See if I can get a video. Okay. Picture-in-picture is available in Chrome, so I don't know what's taking it so long. Maybe they took down a video, but let's see if we can try to get it picture-in-picture. And nope. So it's a hit or miss with that picture-in-picture. But like I said in previous videos, there are other apps out there that give you picture-in-picture. Twitter now gives you picture-in-picture within Twitter's application. So if you have Twitter, make sure you're on version 7.5. It'll give you picture-in-picture with Twitter without having Android O. And of course, you get picture-in-picture, I think, with Facebook Messenger, Skype, WhatsApp, I think has picture-in-picture now. The Samsung browser gives you picture-in-picture. Let me see if I can get that up for you real quick. Hold on. So the Samsung browser, if you on a Samsung beta browser, it does give you picture-in-picture. Let me see if I can find that video clip again. Like I said, they probably took it down. Maybe they didn't. Okay, let's see what happens. Here we go. So yeah, I can still get picture-in-picture regardless. I mean, if you have 7.1 and up, you can get picture-in-picture. You don't have to wait to Android O for that little small feature. But it's a good feature to have. I mean, if you're doing other things and trying to get into other stuff, maybe read another article or something. Let's just say I want to hit one of these articles real quick. And yeah, so yeah, you could be watching a video and reading articles and things like that. So it just depends on your preference. Okay. And that's it. I mean, nothing really to write home about. It's the Nexus 6P. It's the last of the Nexus devices that was released by Google and Huawei. I can't lie. I still like the little bar thing. I don't care what nobody says. I still like this little futuristic bar camera or camera hump. I'll put it like this. Camera. I also like the Moto G5 Plus camera hump too, because it differentiates which device you have. Because a lot of people don't have this one, right? A lot of people don't have this device, so they can't say, "Oh, it's an iPhone" or "It's a Galaxy phone." Or you be like, I still get today. I still get people saying, "What type of phone is this?" And it clearly says Nexus. It clearly says Huawei. So I mean, like, yeah, you can't really see it from a far distance, but I mean, in the wild, you can say that it's not your ordinary smartphone. You can say that it's not an iPhone. You can say that it's not a Sony phone. You can say it's not a Motorola phone. You can say it's definitely not a Galaxy phone. So, I mean, if you know me by now, you know I'm that type of person that gets phones that majority of America or country or the world would normally get. So, And this is a fully unlocked smartphone. Once again, you could use Verizon, you could use AT&T, Sprint, T-Mobile, US Cellular. You could use all the 5 major carriers in the US. And of course, the mobile virtual network operators like Project 5, TextNow, FriendlyPop, Republic Wireless, Mint Sim, Simple Sim, Cricket. You can use all these Sims. Even you can even use the chat sim. You can even use the chat sim and no roaming. So you can use all these different types of sims in a device like the Nexus or Motorola phones. This is why I tell people to get these different types of devices. But I know I rambled off, but it still runs. Like I said, it still runs pretty smooth. Fingerprint sensor still works. Android Pay still works on here. It's not rooted. It's stock. I'm just on the beta version of Android O on the Nexus 6P. Speakers are still good, so I mean I have nothing to worry about. I have no boot looping going on. Neither has my 5X has any boot looping going on. So all the boot loop gate or all the boot loop users, I don't know what are you guys doing with your phones, or I don't know. I mean, maybe you're having bad luck. Maybe it's not your time to get a Nexus or Google phone or something like that. But none of my Nexus phones have boot looped. I'm sorry. Not even my original Nexus 6. The only thing happened to my Nexus 6 was it just had a bad battery, and you know I got it replaced with the one I got now, and unfortunately that was on its way out. But it is what it is. I still can rock this out to 2018 according to Google's deadline for updates and security patches. It has all the way up to 2018 for security patches. Unfortunately, it is on its last leg for OS updates, which it still get Android 8.0. So, I mean, if the Pixel tools aren't doing anything out of the ordinary that the Nexus 6P or the Pixels are already doing, then what's the point of me even upgrading? I mean, other than the fact that, oh, it's a new phone. I mean, yeah, don't get, you know, I get that it's a new phone, but I mean, if I'm still able to do all this other stuff I'm doing now on my 6P, then what's the point of upgrade? Like I said, it's still a 2K display AMOLED. I got LED lights for notifications, so when I get a notification, I get LED or the on display like that. So it is what it is. And I got USB-C. Yeah, it's 2.0, but hey, it still charges pretty decently fast. So still got a fingerprint. All right, got a decent camera on here. Like I said, I mean, you just gotta get the editing type of apps, or you know, working around with Google Photos, and your pictures will come out great. Other than that, I have no really complaints with that Nexus 6P. Like I said, it's one of the best devices I've used and owned and had as a daily driver. Right now, I'm still rocking out the Moto G5 Plus. Yeah, so these are like my top phones that actually work out the box, other than the 5X. And when I had my Nexus 6 working, it was working. So, like I said, guys, to be honest, if you truly want a fully unlocked device and want updates and want security patches and the latest Android OS updates first, then you got to go with the Google Pure Android device. Sorry to say it, but you have to. You gotta join the club and see what it's all about. Join the betas. I know all you iOS users are already using iOS 11 beta. So it's the Android users. We're using Android 8.0 beta. So it is what it is. So let me know your thoughts on the Nexus 6P. This is my review 1 year later. Your boy, 2 phones, as usual. I'm out.